Hi there, and welcome to the Manifestor Circle. Today we're going to be talking about how to easily manifest your goals using the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a powerful tool that can help you manifest the life and success you desire. It states that whatever you focus on, whether positive or negative, will manifest in your life. So if you focus your mind only on what you want to achieve, that's what you'll attract. But if you focus on lack and failure, that's what you'll attract alternatively. Our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality, and science has proven that our thoughts have a powerful impact on our lives. By becoming aware of our negative thoughts and beliefs and replacing them with positive ones, we will begin to attract our desired outcome like a magnet. Now I know this might sound a bit far-fetched, but hear me out. The law of attraction is based on the fundamental idea that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. And science has proven that our thoughts do indeed have a powerful impact on our lives. For example, if you constantly tell yourself, "I'll never achieve my goals," that might not be the best way to achieve your goals now, don't you think? Instead, fill your mind with nothing but the best, and let yourself live in a way where you know, deep down, that everything is working out for you. In this way, you'll attract the life you desire faster than any other method. Another powerful tool to help you manifest your goals is visualization. Visualization is the process of creating a mental image of what you want to manifest in your life. This can be anything from a specific goal, to a new job, to a new house. To practice visualization, find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Then, imagine yourself achieving your goals. What does it feel like? What does it look like? Use all of your senses to make the visualization as real and vivid as possible, as if you were actually living in the end. The more you practice visualization, the more it will become a natural part of your daily routine. And the more you visualize your goals, the more likely you are to manifest them in your life. One more tip for using the law of attraction to manifest your goals is to take action. Taking action is crucial because it aligns your energy and focus with what you want to manifest. And movement is necessary for the universe to change and adapt, no matter how small. Think of a plant. A plant may not seem like it is moving, but over time it grows larger and larger. Before you know it, that seedling it once was is now a massive tree, all thanks to time and small microscopic movements day in and day out. So if your goal is to start a successful business, take action by researching the market, creating a business plan, or networking with potential clients. If you can't do any of that, then at the very least sit and visualize for 2 minutes a day. If your goal is to find your soulmate, take action by joining a dating app, attending social events, or improve your wardrobe. The point is, small actions can still lead to large results with the law of attraction backing your efforts. Remember, the key to manifesting your goals with the law of attraction is to focus on the positive, visualize your goals, and take action. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestor Circle.